Hi guys, it's Colette, and for day one of my 12 days of Christmas nail art, we're going to be working on these magnetic multichrome ornaments. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'm going to be using today are a mixture of Zoya's as well as F.U.N lacquer. For my base color, I'm going to be using Zoya Purity. Then for the base of the ornaments, I'm going to be using Zoya Willa, which will help the magnetics to pop out a little bit more. For the hooks, I'm going to be using Zoya Trixie. And then for the magnetic ornaments, I'm going to be using F.U.N lacquer Believe and F.U.N lacquer Incredible. Next, we'll be applying some dots that will be the base for the multichrome so that the colors pop a little more. I've got a small lid that I'm going to use to put out some of the black polish for dotting. And not too much, but these are going to be larger dots, so a fair amount. May need to add a little bit more to that. And since I don't have a dotting tool that's quite large enough, I'm going to be using the end of one of my striper brushes. So I'm going to, some nails will have 1, 2, or 3 dots. I'm going to do just 1 on the pinky and then move along to the rest of my nails. I'm going to be using 2 colors of magnetic for this. I'm going to be working 1 color at a time and actually 1 ornament at a time. So I'm going to dot them on like I did with the black and then immediately apply the straight end of the magnet. So the goal is to get the magnetic right on top of the black like that. And then we're going to hold the magnet over the top for about 20 seconds. And I'm going to do that for all the ornaments. I decided to add a little bit of gold in addition to the silver, so for the fuchsia ornaments, they're going to get topped with Zoya Carry, and then, as I mentioned earlier, I'll be using Zoya Trixie on the turquoise ornaments. Finally, we're going to finish it off with a top coat, and today we're using Holo Taco Super Glossy Taco. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how this turned out. I made a few changes to my initial design, some very last minute changes like adding the gold in addition to the silver, but in the end it really has the vibe that I was going for, and I think it really turned out cute. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial, that will be up here on YouTube in the next few days. And if you'd like to join me live, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. If you enjoyed, I hope you'll leave a like. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.